a huge plane soaring quickly into the sky. A massive vehicle you can't fully control, yet one that could take you to completely new places. Did you dream of a plane and start wondering what it's trying to tell you? Goals, life's journey, major decisions, and some worries. Let's uncover the messages behind this symbol, where all these feelings meet in the sky. Let's see which path your dream is calling you toward. Seeing a plane in a dream often reminds you that life is picking up speed, and it's time to pursue certain goals with more determination. Sometimes you want to take bold steps to move your life journey to a new level. The plane represents acceleration, rising and stepping out of your comfort zone to explore new horizons. This kind of dream may carry the message, you're progressing in life and you're about to soar higher. If you dream of boarding a plane, it usually means you feel ready to take significant steps in life. Career changes, moving, new relationships, or focusing on personal goals could be on the horizon. It can also signal a strong desire to leave your current situation and move somewhere new. Seeing the plane rise quickly is a symbol of climbing towards success. A project or goal you've been working on is finally showing visible progress. Your confidence grows, and your goals are no longer just dreams. They're within reach. Every ascent is followed by a descent. This doesn't mean something bad. A descending plane suggests that at certain points, slowing down is necessary and maintaining balance becomes important. Safe landings are just as valuable as reaching new heights. A plane that doesn't take off may indicate that the timing isn't right. Before continuing with your plans, you might need to adjust or reorganize. Patience is key, and waiting for the right moment can make all the difference. If you see yourself inside the plane, it means you've entered a period where your decisions are fully yours. You take responsibility for your choices, even when risks are involved. The seat is yours, and you're the one deciding the destination. Watching a plane from a distance shows that while you want to take action, obstacles are in your way. This dream highlights your fear of missing opportunities and reminds you to take timely steps when the moment is right. Seeing a plane crash symbolizes the stress caused by high goals and expectations. It reflects the pressure you feel and the strain of pushing yourself too hard. A falling plane represents fears of losing control and uncertainty in life. It's a reminder to recognize your inner anxieties and focus on managing them. It also emphasizes evaluating risks and taking precautions. Jumping or being thrown from a plane shows that you're facing a decision that involves risk. Growth can't happen within a comfort zone, and this dream is a call for courage. Not seeing the landing strip indicates that some things in the future aren't clear yet, but you still need to keep moving forward. Not every journey is smooth. Turbulence signals temporary challenges and reminds you that obstacles are part of the process. Missing a plane reflects life's hectic pace and the feeling that there's so much I need to get done. It also signals the need to manage time efficiently. Looking out the window represents wanting to step back and see the bigger picture. Sometimes taking a step back allows you to make better decisions. Being in the pilot's seat symbolizes leadership, confidence, and the desire to take control of your life. It's time to hold the reins tighter. Being alone in an empty plane signifies a period where personal choices and responsibility take priority. Every step is fully yours, allowing you to explore your path and focus on your goals. A plane full of people reflects the weight of expectations and responsibilities from others. Maybe you're tired of listening to everyone's opinions. This dream highlights the need to create space for yourself. Getting on the wrong plane shows that your current path may not fully align with your goals, signaling the need to adjust your route. Losing a plane ticket may indicate that even though plans exist, you feel a lack of control. This dream reflects worry about missing opportunities. Waiting at the airport shows that before reaching your goals, necessary preparations must be completed. Though it may test your patience, it strengthens and prepares you. The right moment to move forward is coming soon. Seeing multiple planes indicates that others are also moving toward their goals. This may sometimes stir comparison, reminding you to focus on your own path and potential. A plane changing direction shows that life can take unexpected turns and plans may change. Trust your instincts and stay flexible. Unexpected changes can bring new opportunities and experiences. Everyone carries some load in life, but too much can slow progress. Luggage issues in a plane dream remind you to let go of unnecessary burdens, helping you feel freer and more balanced. Hearing announcements signals that an important decision is approaching. Focus and analyze carefully to make the right choice and move toward your goals successfully. Dreaming of a plane usually reflects personal growth, rising in life, and the desire to gain strength. Sometimes patience is needed, sometimes courage. Noticing which seat you're in on this journey through the sky matters. Wherever the plane takes you, your dream is speaking to you from there. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.